After 40 years, there is still no cure to HIV or AIDS, but researchers continue to create new formulations and combinations of drugs to improve treatment outcomes. Our Andre Williams has more.
That is true, and there are organizations like Vivent Health Services right here in Milwaukee that are not only providing patients with the health care they need, but also the wraparound social services that are truly making a difference.
HIV was once the leading cause of death for young people, but thanks to scientific advances and health clinics like Vivent Health in Milwaukee, individuals are living longer and healthier lives. Formerly known as the AIDS Resource Center of Wisconsin, Vivent Health provides a multitude of services for those living with HIV.
We often find that our patients are not just dealing with their HIV, but also having issues with finding an affordable, safe place to live, having access to healthy food, having their dental or behavioral health needs met.
Vivent Health provided us with numbers that break down the ratios. Nearly half of all individuals living with HIV in Wisconsin reside in Milwaukee, and drilling down further, the majority of new HIV diagnoses in Milwaukee were found in zip codes that include 53204, 53214, 15, 16, and 18. Their patient demographics are 75% men, 23% female, 1.6% transgender, 50% black, 35% white, and 10.9% Hispanic.
There's so much that we still need to do. You know, we are still seeing the same amount of HIV diagnosis in this country every year, and we're not making a really big dent in that. And a lot of that does have to do with things like stigma and access to care.
It's that reality that has led Vivent Health to a new expanded location. They're currently located on North Plankington in downtown Milwaukee and will soon move near Deer District to a 46,000 square foot space on North 6th Street.
We need to be able to serve about 1,000 more people here in Milwaukee. In order to do that, we needed to find additional space, and we're going to be able to double the number of exam rooms that we're going to be able to provide, expand our size of our pharmacy, expand our food pantry, and all of our social service programming.
Construction is scheduled to begin this month, and the new location will open in April 2023. This particular location was chosen specifically because it's in the heart of the area with the highest prevalence of people living with or at risk of contracting HIV in the entire state. The good news is access to Vivent Health Services has helped 95% of their patients achieve viral suppression, which means a person with HIV can live a healthy, normal life expectancy.
An HIV diagnosis today is not the death sentence it was 25, 30 years ago. People with HIV can live long, healthy lives and basically a normal lifespan. But they need to have access to medications, and they need to have access to doctors and comprehensive care.
Vivent Health's multi-million-dollar investment will continue to help break down stigmas and barriers that individuals face each day when it comes to the fight against HIV/AIDS.
I think it's incumbent on all of us to be aware and then to help people realize that there are resources.
And it's important to mention that Vivent Health Services, they offer free testing for HIV, STIs, hepatitis C, and now monkeypox. You can find a link for more information right there on our website at tmj4.com.
You know, what's interesting was the stigma behind it, and now, you know, it's getting a front stage right by our Deer District.
Yeah.
So 1,000 more people they hope to serve.
Yeah, and it makes a difference because when people are in social, economic situations, it makes it really hard for them to focus on their health care. So they're helping them across the board so that they can be focused on the number one thing, which is your health.
Yeah, an important organization for you to highlight.
Yes,
thank you,
great
Andrea.
stuff.